Hello guys, welcome to the vlog, and for today we are going to unbox a heart rate armband from Blackbird. This model is HR5. Ayan, and nabili ko sa Shopee for around 950 kasama na shipping. I think naka-promo yung pagbili ko. Ayan, ito yung charging niya guys. Charging port, USB, and ito yung armband itself. Ayan, so check natin yung box. Heart rate analysis. Ayan, so 50% and below ay blue, light blue, and walk. 50 to 60 heart rate ay warm up and recovery. 60 to 70 parang zone 2, mild weight loss. And yellow ay heart rate max, aerobic. 80 to 90 ay lactate threshold, and 90% color red ay anaerobic. Ayan. So weight niya ay 70 grams, rechargeable battery, waterproof, IP67, and kagandahan dito guys ay unplus na siya. So i-connect ko siya for the demo lang. I-connect ko siya sa cellphone through the app. Ito pala yung app niya guys. Ito po, Blackbird. Ito yung logo. Ayan. Okay, so check muna natin. Precision optical sensor, colorful indicator, 80 hours battery life, rechargeable, IPX7, BLE, and N+. Ayan. So na-mention dito guys na colorful indicator. So kasi dito kagandahan dito guys ay may color, nagchi-change yung color depende sa heart rate mo. So let's say for example, based sa manual ay and so heart rate 30, huwag naman sana, is color white. 30 to 90 cyan, 90 to 109 is blue, 109 to 127 is green. I think that is my zone 2. And 127 to 145 is yellow, 145, 163 purple, and 163 to 220 ay color red. Depende po yan sa mga zones mo. Nagdedepende din po sa age. Ayan, so quick start natin guys. One press lang. And ayan, ito yung sinasabi kong nag-change yung color. Kagandahan dito ay hindi siya annoying, kasi hindi siya naka-strap sa chest natin, and madali lang siyang ilagay. And nabasa ko rin na madaling bumaho yung sa chest strap. And whereas dito ay lagayin mo lang dito sa armband, and while riding ay namo-monitor mo na rin yung zones mo. And also i-connect mo na rin sa cyclocomputer para dual yung monitoring mo. Anyway, so i-connect natin sa app. May comment lang ako sa app kasi hindi ka makagawa ng account through email. Dapat naka Facebook login, and sa mga taong hindi gusto ma-expose yung identity ay there's no way na maging private yung account mo dito sa Blackbird. So for the demo, naglogin ako sa Facebook, pero right after ay ko-connect ko naman sa cyclocomputer, and dun ko na lang siya i-monitor. Anyway, compatible po siya guys. This is Blackbird and my cyclocomputer is Majin. Okay, so heart rate for the demo, dito ka lang, then dito ka sa device and connect. I think automatic lang. Ayan, so ito na siya guys. Connecting. Please enter the warning heart rate. Okay, my maximum is 178. Yes. So 102. And 83 na. 82. Okay, 81. So siguro ay accurate naman. Currently nasa 82. So comparing it to my Samsung Watch 7, 82, 82, and 83, nasa 83 yung watch. And so for me ay small differences lang. Naka-indicate dito na charge the unit before using. Charging time niya ay 2 hours and 30 minutes. And comment ko lang, what I don't like about the heart rate monitor ay hindi mo may edit yung kulay and value ng heart rate mo. Based on my zones, zone 1 recovery mode ay 109. Dito ay color blue 90 to 109. My zone 2 endurance ay 110 to 130. Dito ay 109 to 127, which is very close sa value ng zones ko. So okay na lang, pero mas maganda sana kung pwede ko siya ma-edit through the app. Okay, so my zone 3 ay 131 to 144. Dito ay 127 to 145. Zone 4 ko, threshold 145 to 160. Dito naman ay 127 to 145. Very minimal difference naman, pero good thing sana kung pwedeng ma-edit. Okay, we will try to connect the heart rate monitor to the cyclocomputer for the first time. This one is Majin C506 and this one is Blackbird heart rate HR5. Sensor, add, and heart rate. Dapat magde-detect siya. I think. Yan. So yun, it's connected. May reading na agad siya, 88 beats per minute. Battery, yan. Okay, yun lang guys. Thank you. Ride safe. Bye bye.